Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quartz stone full guide. Start by gathering crushed quartz, resin binder, pigments, and molds. Measure components by weight and mix thoroughly to avoid voids. Use a vacuum chamber or pressure pot to remove air bubbles before pouring. Pour slowly into molds, vibrate to release trapped air, and allow to cure under recommended temperature and time until fully hardened and demoldable. Measure a typical mix of about 90% crushed quartz and 10% resin by weight, adjusting for porosity and colorant load. Wear PPE, use nitrile gloves, safety goggles, and a respirator when handling powders and resins. Premix pigments into the resin slowly, then combine with quartz in stages to ensure even distribution. Keep workspace dust controlled, and prepare molds with release agent to ensure clean demolding and consistent surface finish and curing. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps small creators grow. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes workshop cleanup effortless and keeps dust from interfering with resin work. Check the description for the link and other deals to save time and tidy up your bench. Now let's get back to the video. Mix resin and hardener at the manufacturer recommended ratio, stirring slowly to minimize air entrainment and to ensure complete cross-linking. Add pigments and any additives like UV stabilizers while monitoring viscosity to maintain pourability. Dega the mixture under vacuum if available, then pour in thin layers and allow each to partially set before subsequent pours to reduce shrinkage and voids. After full cure, trim, grind, and polish progressively to reveal the final sheen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.